At least 65% solo female travelers worry about their safety. Isn't that alarming? No matter what, safety is the top priority for any traveler, especially for a female. But traveling solo sounds intimidating. Fret not, valiant adventurers, gone are the days of fearing solo travel. Embark on a journey of empowerment with some effective tips for a successful solo trip. From insider tips on choosing destinations to clever strategies for blending in with locals, you will embrace the world fearlessly, one extraordinary adventure at a time. So, dear women, are you ready to travel safely? Traveling solo to an unknown place can be exciting, but you always have to prioritize safety. While hiking through the jungles of Costa Rica, admiring Iceland's northern lights, or strolling around the streets of Tokyo sound amazing, research crime rates, cultural norms, and the prior experiences of fellow female adventurers before choosing your destination. For instance, Canada, New Zealand, Switzerland, and most of the Scandinavian countries are the safest for women to travel alone. By choosing wisely, you will open the door to thrilling adventures while ensuring your well-being remains a priority. Secure a cozy haven to retreat to after exhilarating days of exploration. As a solo female adventurer, imagine unwinding at a guest house in the heart of Marrakesh Souks, or enjoying the view from your window at a cottage in the Scottish Highlands. By booking in advance, you will avoid the stress of last-minute searching, guarantee a safe and comfortable stay, and have more time to relish the magic of your chosen destination. You can check Booking.com, Expedia, Agoda for a reliable booking procedure. Embrace the freedom of solo travel by packing light and unburdening yourself from heavy luggage. Imagine navigating the streets of Barcelona with a single backpack or gliding through the crowds of Bangkok with a compact suitcase. That sounds so convenient for solo travelers, as packing light grants you the flexibility to explore remote corners of the world, hop on spontaneous adventures, and effortlessly maneuver through places all around, as well as keeping your belongings secure and minimizing the risk of theft. Safeguard the most precious travel companions, your documents, cards, and cash. Utilize a concealed money belt or opt for a stylish anti-theft travel wallet. Imagine confidently exploring the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu, knowing your passport and money are secure. By taking precautions and protecting your valuables, you will have the peace of mind to fully engage yourself in awe-inspiring experiences and create lasting memories. Solo travel with a shared itinerary. Yes, ensure your loved ones feel connected to your adventures by sharing your itinerary with them. Imagine savoring the flavors of Italy's gelato while your family knows you're having fun by yourself. By sharing your plans, you will foster a sense of security and allow your loved ones to support you from afar. In case of any unforeseen circumstances, they will know your whereabouts, saving room for swift assistance and an extra layer of comfort. Simply share it through Google Maps or go to google.com/travel, and that's all it takes. You can deter unwanted attention by adorning a simple yet elegant fake wedding ring. Simply picture yourself exploring the night markets of Bangkok, blending seamlessly into the crowd as locals respectfully acknowledge your commitment and don't hit on you. The discreet accessory grants you the freedom to take in the cultural experiences without compromising your safety or independence. Connect with a network of like-minded women who share your passion for exploration. Imagine sharing tales of your adventures around a bonfire with newfound friends from around the globe. Join female travel communities such as Girls Love Travel or Wonderful and embrace the supportive environment they offer. you will forge lifelong friendships, gain valuable insights, and create a sense of companionship that elevates your solo journey. Transform your smartphone into a safety partner during your solo escapades. With the touch of a button, you can summon help, navigate unfamiliar streets, and stay connected to loved ones. Imagine strolling along the picturesque beaches of Bali, capturing precious moments while knowing that your phone is a lifeline whenever you need it. You can download safety apps like SafeTour or Be Safe and explore location sharing features to further enhance your peace of mind. While going for a solo adventure, remember that sharing excessive personal information can compromise your safety. Well, it's natural to strike up conversations with friendly locals and let them be a part of your travel stories, experiences, and memories. However, exercise caution when divulging personal details. Instead, focus on the fascinating cultural encounters and the mouth-watering local delights. By keeping your personal information to yourself, maintaining an air of mystery and protecting your journey from potential risks get easier. Now, this is about acting responsibly in an unknown land. Imagine yourself amidst the vineyards of Tuscany in Italy, enjoying the golden glow of the setting sun. Sipping on a glass of exquisite Chianti, you savor the flavors that dance upon your palate. While indulging in local refreshments can be enticing, moderation is definitely key. Getting intoxicated may leave you vulnerable and impair your judgment, deterring you from appreciating the streets of Florence or the Renaissance art adorning the Uffizi Gallery. So, it's better to avoid being drunk and prevent someone shady from tweaking your drink. Suppose you venture through the streets of Rio de Janeiro in Brazil with the rhythmic beats of samba echoing in your ears. Your excitement brims over. Capturing these priceless moments and sharing them on social media can be thrilling. However, exercise caution in what you reveal online. Avoid posting real-time updates of your exact location or itinerary. Instead, let your photos and stories convey the essence of the carnival or the Christ the Redeemer statue. By acting smartly on social media, you will keep the adventure alive without taking your personal safety for granted. To wrap up, we can assure you that solo female travelers can travel safely if they keep these basic yet useful tips in mind. So now, go ahead and pack your bags. Your next solo adventure awaits. As for everything else, stay tuned for more updates about places to visit solo.